Hi viewers, my name is Venkatram. Please subscribe to our channel VVRAM ADM. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create AMI from the Amazon Mission EC2 image instance, and we created EC2 AMI from the Amazon EC2 instance. We can create the EC2 AMI from the running instance or either from stopped instance. In this demo, we will create from the stopped instance, and how we created the AMI means first we have to go to the EC dashboard and select the instance which we are want to take the create image, and click on the selected instance, and they click on that means right click and go to image and create image, and have to give some description as per about the image, and we can give the uh, what types of the volumes and the volume size and create image, and thereafter we will go to check whether the AMI is created or not into the AMI session. Let us see how to do this one. As of now our instance is running. Okay, sorry, it is volume, right? Go to instances. My instance is stopped, and thereafter see the AMIs. As of now there is no AMIs. Thereafter see the volume. This volume is attached to the our instances. Our instance, this is my instance, web server instance. Okay. Also check the snapshots. There is no snapshots as right now. Okay, whenever we created AMI, it will create a snapshot also. That means whenever we created AMI, the volume will take the volume is also backup as a snapshot. That means whenever we take a instance created as a whenever we created instance as AMI, it will take the total server backup, and that means it created image as well as it also created snapshot of the volumes. And both ways we can create the AMI. First select our instance, thereafter go to images and create image and give the description of the image one way, and after that you can select the general or provisional or magnetic as per your requirement, and size also you can mention, and create, click on create. This is the one way we can create. The other way is that select your instance, go to actions, click on images, thereafter click on create image. I giving my image name is my custom image, description my custom image. I want to change from provisional to general purpose, and after here you can see the volume is root and device and snapshot, and it will create snapshot, and volume is that is general purpose, and the input output is 100 with 3000, and deletion and termination is checked. That means whenever we deleted the or deregister the AMA, the snapshot will not deleted, and it will be there. See, let us see, and let us create the image as of right now. Click on create image and close, and go to AMIs. We will check it is creating AMI. Go to snapshots, check once, click on. Right now there is no snapshots, and go to AMIs. It will take some time to create the our my custom AMI. Okay, in this we will see also how to deregister our AMI. and we will see whether the snapshot is removing or not. We selected that deletion termination of the protection for the snapshot or the volume. It we should not deleted even though we deregister the AMI. It would take some time, I think. Okay, it is available, right? My custom AMI is available. Let us go to snapshots. See, it will created it will create snapshot. It is created 8 GB snapshot. Okay, we created it is created snapshot from the AMI. AMI is this, isn't it? This is the AMI. Okay, this is the 040 and C0 is there, right? Check the snapshot. It is representing that only 040 AMI only, right? Okay, whenever we let us go and we will deregister. That means how we deregister means select our AMI, go to AMIs and select your AMI, go to actions. From here we can launch the instances from our custom snapshot, and we can deregister. We request for the spot request, and we can create a new AMI also, and we can also modify our image permissions. We can also boot volume settings. We can do all these things, but we want to deregister whether the snapshot is deleting or not. I want to deregister, continue and deregister. My aim is deregistered, no more available, and I go to snapshot. See, we put the snapshot checkbox to protection, so it is 100% available. Okay, fine. That means even though we deleted the AMI, after protection, click on the protection, the volume, its snapshot will be created and it will not deleted even though we deregister. If we unwanted this volume, then snapshot, then we go to actions and click on delete. We can also create the images from the existing snapshots. Okay, we will see later. Okay, as of now we are deleting this snapshot. Click on yes, delete. Okay, I hope it will helpful to you. Thank you.